Naturally, some of your WooCommerce coupons will be more successful than others, and you may decide to remove the less successful ones from your WooCommerce store. However, it can be a headache to find coupons that have not yet been used because with WooCommerce you can only search for them one by one. That means you will have to open them one by one and see if they have been used or not. But with the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin, we'll be able to find and delete all unused coupons in seconds. This plugin contains a great bulk editing tool that allows us to edit thousands of coupons at once. In addition, you can edit the values in the spreadsheet just like you do in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find a link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Before we delete the coupons, let's see how to filter them using the search tool. Once the tool is open, tick here to enable the advanced filters. Then select usage as the field key. As an operator, we'll select equal. Now enter 0 here. Finally, run the search. And all unused coupons will be displayed in the spreadsheet. After we have filtered the coupons, let's delete them in bulk. To do so, let's open the bulk edit tool. Then, select this option to edit the rows from our current search. Enter the field status. Then select to set the value. In this field, choose delete completely. And execute. As you can see, all the filtered coupons have been deleted. Finding and deleting all your unused coupons doesn't have to be a headache, as you can do it quickly with the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.